It's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, it is another crochet hair install video. In today's crochet hair, as you see from the title and the pack I'm holding up, it is the Freetress Beach Curl Hair. Yes, after maybe 5 years. Has it been 5 years since I last tried this hair? It's time for me to revisit. It's been one of the most asked hair for me to revisit. It's one of my most popular videos that I uploaded that is like a single-handed review video. My compilation videos are my probably highest reviews, but my most viewed plain review video is probably on this Freetress Beach Curl. Now, it has been 5 years since I've tried this hair. I've had probably 50 hairs in between then and now. And sometimes the further you get away from a hair, the more you forget about it. So I want to make sure this hair stays at the top of the mind because a lot of you guys have said this is your favorite hair. And I need to see, maybe revisit what the hype is about. Now, I have bought 4 packs of this hair. That's all I got. I bought it from my local beauty supply store. I know you can get it anywhere though. Any beauty supply store that sells Freetress. Not all of them do. Amazon, I'm sure, has it. Sam's Beauty. Any place you can usually pick up this hair. It is in the 12 inches. I can't remember if that's what I tried the first time. I know they used to have a longer version, but more recently I've only seen it in the 12 inches. I have it in the color OT 30, so it's kind of a ombre with the 30 ends, and I'm really hoping that I can get away with 4 packs. Now, the last time I didn't install this hair, I was not the installer. My mom installed it. She used 6 packs. I said in that video, I think she might have overused. Now, I love my mom to death, but I think she overused too many packs of hair. I really do. So we're gonna see. I don't have more than 4 with me today. So really hoping 4 is gonna be enough. I have 11 braids going straight back. My mother did do my braid pattern though. So she did 11 braids, very kind of small braids. But I'm very optimistic that this is going to be enough packs. If you want to see my full install of this beach curl hair, just keep watching. Again, a closer look at my braid pattern, just 11 braids going straight back, all coalescing into a little bun in the back. Again, you've seen me do this process a dozen times, but what I do is push the crochet needle through my braid, attach the hair to that needle, pull both the needle and the hair through enough to create a little loop. And with that loop, you'll just pull the hair through. Sometimes you can do it with the needle itself. I prefer with a lot of my hair to do it with just my hands. I then repeat the process all throughout my head. I get a lot of questions in my videos. Do I apple cider vinegar wash this hair? No, you guys see me. I'm taking it out of the pack and I'm putting it into my head. Not to say you can't. If you have a sensitive scalp and you feel as though you need to rinse that hair, please by all means do it. I don't, because I have a crochet hair review channel and I want to show you the hair in its raw format. If you do nothing. If I rinse my hair and had a better outcome, then some people would say, oh, it's because you rinsed the hair. But I try to do it in the way that a majority of folks wear their hair, which is kind of straight out the pack. And for anybody who wants a little bit more security, you can pull the hair through twice, so essentially double knotting the hair. I don't advise any more than twice, though, really, for a lot of hair, just because essentially the knot just gets bigger and bigger, and you just have kind of not a flat, smooth, seamless look a lot of the time. And for those who follow me, you know I split my hair in the front when I installed the front pieces. I made that face because I was like, is this going to be a difficult split? It really was just that one curl. I think throughout the rest of the install, none of the other strands were that hard to split. So I didn't end up losing a lot of hair like some other very soft hairs can be a little bit more difficult to split. So I split the hair and I pull the one strand through, just the one strand, not both strands, one strand. So it's different than how I do it in the back. This is known as the invisible knot method. Again, this is to create a more seamless style. So I split in the front as well as I invisible knot in the front. now this is the finished look. I am done, and it was one of the quickest installs I've ever done, probably because I did only end up using 3.5 packs. So this is the 4th pack, and this is all I have left of that, so about half of it, so equaling 3.5 packs. I feel like I probably can get away with a lot less than a lot of my other styles if I just buy less. If I'm crunched under the idea that if I only buy 4 packs, I have to find a way to utilize it, I probably along the way would stop using so many packs. But no, I'm going to keep doing what I do. Now, this is how it looks. No cutting has happened. No products have been applied. Let me turn around so you guys can see how it looks. Again, you guys know I'm normally not a short person. I'm usually wanting to start long, and then if I want to cut it up and eventually it gets here after a few weeks, I'm kind of forced to have a short kind of style, and I'm totally okay with it. I think it looks really good. I think the hair falls in a natural layer itself, where if I cut, it would just be like little strands here and there that are kind of just poking out. Other than that, I like the ombre look. So let me get you a look inside of the hairline and how my hairline is looking. Again, I split in the front, and in the back, of course, I install it as the hair naturally comes. So as in its normal look like this. So this is how I installed it in the back. I do have a left side part like I normally always wear. And overall, this is my first day. This is the look of it on this first day. I'm excited to give it a try as I go this week to Puerto Rico. I'm going to San Juan, Puerto Rico, and I'm going to have a jolly old time and seeing how this hair really holds up in water. Getting it wet, being in a tropical climate where every day it's going to be over 80 and the humidity is going to be pretty high. So I'm excited to test it out, and through that testing out, you'll see it in my review video. Somebody asked me in my last video, was I going to do a review on the last hair I installed? You might be new here and you might not know I review every single hair that I install on this channel. There's not a hair that I have installed where you didn't get a review video. So you'll get that review video however long I'm able to wear that hair. If you are locked in and subscribed to my channel, you'll be notified if you have that notification bell on so you won't miss when I bring that review video to you. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at LeaLavon89 to see what I have going on in real time. TikTok at LeaLavon, which is a little bit more real time over there. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.